This is video number 29. If you are new to the channel, welcome. On this platform, I share with you opportunities that you can apply and work remotely. We are officially on our way to our first 100 subscribers, so please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump on to today's company. So the company that we are looking at today, it's called Bash. So if you go onto your Google and type in BASH, this information should pull through. So as you can see, I'll just read this brief summary of what the company is all about. So Bash is a South African large omni-channel fashion and lifestyle shopping platform. So this is brought to you by the Fortune Group. For now, we are in the beta, meaning that we are in the final stages of technical development and we are not perfect, but safe to shop, and would love you to help us uncover any bugs or issues before our final public release. So get started by exploring our favorite South African stores, over 200 of your favorite brands and more than 400 categories across women, men, kids, jewelry, sports, homeware and technology in one convenient place. And remember, omnichannel means you can access Bash your way via the website, mobile apps, or from within over 300 TFG stores. So maybe for those of you who might not know TFG, the Fortune Group, here are some of the shops that fall within that group. So as you can see, there's American Swiss, Exact, Fortune, At Home, Relay Jeans, Sports Scene, Markham, High, and then Fabiani and all that, and the Fix as well. So what you want to do, because obviously on this channel we mainly focus on us getting opportunities, or rather us getting employed. So what you want to do is you want to scroll downwards and then you come to here where it's written Bash Careers. So you want to click on that link, and then once you've clicked it, this page will come through, and then you can read through our story. So you read all this information so that you know more about the company, right? And then our people. So currently, these are the people that are currently working at this company, right? And then our principals, you can read through all that, and then featured jobs. So as of today, these are the jobs that they are looking to fill. So they've got graphic designer, senior site reliability engineer, customer support agent, and then retoucher, and then executive PA, quality assurance engineer, and then engineering team leader. So obviously you would have to choose the one that best speaks to your qualifications and your experience. So as an example, we just gonna choose, let's say for instance, customer support, right? Normally why I like choosing these customer support jobs, it's because mainly in most cases the requirements for you to get employed, they are quite minimal. They won't be expecting you to have like 10 years worth of experience, you know, because most of you, you know, you've maybe recently finished college, you've maybe recently finished varsity, so there is no way you would have like 15 to 20 years work experience. Anyways, so we are Bash. So what you need to do obviously is you go through all this, read through what is it they are saying. So this particular job, what you will do, so managing customer expectations, and then able to adapt to customer expectations. I won't read everything, guys. You can come to this website and read through everything once you are done watching the video. For me, I'm just gonna highlight to you what is important, and then the rest of the stuff you will actually come and read it by yourself. And then who you are. So what basically it means is what they are looking for, somebody to be successful in this role. So this job is for you if you have one. So matric is essential, right? And then call center diploma or equivalent advantageous. That is if you've got one, then that will be to your advantage. But if you don't stress about it. and then 2 to 3 years call center experience, and then 1 to 2 years e-commerce. So as you can see, guys, the minimum requirements, they quite low. So 2 to 3 years, a lot of you would probably maybe have that 2 to 3 years. You know, we don't want to be looking at opportunities requesting for 15 years or 20 years and etc. So, and then you should be able to work shifts Monday to Sunday and public holidays, and then passionate about customer service. So if you like talking to customers, like we say in South Africa, if you turn in Dava, then this is the job for you, right? And then desire to make work fun and enjoyable, right? Skills you already have, so that's what they are looking for. And then where you will be. So our working model is flexible and digital, right? We don't clock or watch or mind how or where you work. Our leaders are measured by outputs, and they know where and how they will get the job done. We give agents and enable remote working, so that's the good thing. So this what they are simply saying is they won't really tie you to sort of like an office environment where they are constantly monitoring you, as long as you can deliver. And also the good thing is you can work from the comfort of your home, which is a plus. These are the opportunities that we are looking for, right? So you go through this and read all that, and then base benefits. So what is in it for you? So why should you apply for this role at this particular company, right? So a seriously smart team of people. So this is what you will be joining. And then agency structures remain flat and accountability is wide, right? And then top dollar. So they claim that they pay quite handsomely, and then savings for your future, right? And then hack days and all that. So you read through all this for you to just have a better understanding before you apply. So now for you to apply, it's very simple. You put in your name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and then you attach your resume or your CV, right? If you've got a cover letter, you also attach it here. And if you don't have, just Google on the internet how to draft a cover letter, and then you just do that. And then LinkedIn, I once spoke about this. If you don't have one already, click one and get started, and then complete all that information. Why do you want to work at Bash, and then what makes this role a perfect fit for you, and then you complete all that. Anything that you're not sure of, please do Google before you. Don't submit your application blank, rather, right? In your own opinion, what are the main differentiators between customer service and customer experience? Also research about the two terms, so that you will be able to give like an informed answer, so that they can also consider you, right? And then you complete all that, and then once you are done, you click on submit. So yeah, guys, that's it. We've come to the end of today's video. Just before I let you go, this other day I created another video showcasing another opportunity where you can apply and work remotely. The link to that video, I will leave it in the description box below. Otherwise, the video, it will show up just now. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.